20 years ago, I picked up my first pair of dumbbells, and I was so excited about starting to get fit. I remember researching on sites like bodybuilding.com and watching tons of fitness YouTube videos. But I was really confused because I would see videos about training 3 days a week, training 5 days a week, do 5 sets, just do 1 set, do cardio, don't do cardio, don't eat carbs. There's so much conflicting information about building muscle and getting jacked that if you're just getting started, it's almost impossible to know who to listen to. And I made plenty of mistakes, from working out twice a day to eating nearly twice as many grams of protein as my body weight because I thought more protein meant more muscle. Fast forward 20 years, I've now been a personal trainer for over 15 years, I own my own gym, and I realized something interesting. There are a lot of different ways to build muscle, but the guys who build an incredible physique, they all have these 7 non-negotiables in common. In this video, I'm gonna break down every single one of them, give you practical advice you can start doing today, so make sure you watch until the end because if you miss even one of these, you could slow your progress down by years, or worse, never build the physique that you've been working so hard for. The first non-negotiable is building a muscular foundation. You can do everything else I'm going to talk about in this video, but if you skip this first one, none of it is going to get you jacked. And honestly, this is the most simplest one. You only need to focus on 3 movements. That's it. Everything else is just icing on the cake. The first one is a push, like push-ups or the bench press. The second is a pull, like pull-ups, chin-ups, or rows. And the third is some type of squat, like barbell squat, hack squat, leg press, or even lunges. If you get strong at these 3 movement patterns, you're gonna build a great physique. Your pushes build your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Your pulls build your back and biceps. And your squats are there to make sure you don't end up with a huge upper body and tiny legs. So don't overcomplicate it. Pick one main exercise for each movement and become a master at it. Now here's the thing, just doing those exercises isn't enough. You also have to get stronger at them. And that's the second non-negotiable, progressive overload. And don't let that fancy name scare you. It just means try to do a little better than last time. Maybe you add 5 pounds. Maybe you add 1 more rep. Maybe the weight stays the same, but your technique is cleaner. As long as you're improving over time, you're moving in the right direction. I like to think of it as a video game. Every personal best is another level unlocked. That's why I always recommend tracking your workouts, whether it's a notebook or the notes app on your phone. Write your lifts down so you know where you're trying to beat next time. As you get stronger, there's another thing you can't ignore, and that's mobility. I know mobility isn't exciting. Most guys would skip it. I did too, but I learned that lesson the hard way. The stronger you get, the better your joints need to move. Otherwise, you're just increasing the chances of getting hurt. Looking back, I probably could have avoided several injuries if I had taken mobility seriously from the beginning. So figure out where you're tight, spend a few minutes working on it each week, and make it part of your routine instead of waiting until something starts to hurt. The fourth non-negotiable is cardio. I know this one could be controversial. Can you build muscle without cardio? Yes, plenty of people have. But cardio is still worth doing because it helps your conditioning, helps your recovery, and is just good for overall health. Personally, I try to walk every day and I get around 8 to 10,000 steps. Then once or twice a week, I'll do something a little harder, like a run or a quick HIIT workout. Just don't go overboard on the harder cardios because it can make it harder to recover from your lifts. Which brings us to the fifth non-negotiable, recovery. This is where your muscles actually grow. I always explain to my clients like this. Imagine you fall down and your knee starts to bleed. Then it starts to form a scab a day or 2 later. Now, what would happen if you decided to peel off the scab before it naturally falls off? You're prolonging the healing process, right? Building muscle is the same thing. If you keep training them hard before they're recovered, you're slowing down your own progress. So make sure to take rest days from the gym, get 8 hours of sleep, and don't assume that more workouts automatically means more muscle because recovery is part of the process too. The sixth non-negotiable is eating enough and getting enough protein. Muscle doesn't just magically appear out of nowhere. Your body needs the building blocks to build it. For nutrition, don't overcomplicate it. Eat whole foods like lean meats, fruits, vegetables, rice, potatoes, and healthy fats. And for protein, aim for somewhere between 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. That's more than enough for most people. The last non-negotiable is consistency. Your body, it isn't going to change in a week. and it's not gonna change in a month either. But here's something that might make you feel better. It didn't take me 20 years to build the physique I have today. I built a great majority of it in the first 2 to 3 years of consistently doing the things that we just talked about. And after that, my progress slowed down tremendously. This is what I looked like about 15 years ago. Most people can build the majority of the muscle they'll ever have in those first few years if they just stick with it. The problem is, most people quit long before they ever get there. And the thing is, time is gonna pass whether you train or not. So you might as well spend it becoming someone that you know you'll be proud of. So at the end of the day, if you decide to work out 5 days a week versus 3 days a week, if you decide to do 2 sets versus 5 sets, these are the 7 non-negotiables that will help you build muscle no matter what route you choose.